My name is Gino, and this is my assignment video. So I'll explain my quotes. So the first one is star pattern. So I use system.out, print out n. So and I type in the spaces with the star signs at the end. And I use /n to separate the line. So if we run the code, sorry. So if we run the code, it gives us the result, which is the star patterns like that. And the next one is sales tax. So I'll set up three doubles, which is amount, country tax, and state tax. So I'll ask the users to type the amount of purchases and type in the rate of country tax, and system.out print out n, which also shows that type the rate of the state tax. So for these three numbers, we'll use keyboard.next double to get a number, and we all use the keyboard.next ln next line, sorry, to close up the process, which gives us a number stored in the variable. Then we print out the result. The amount of purchase equals amount, and the total sales tax is amount multiplied by country tax plus state tax. And the total sales is amount minus amount times country tax plus state tax. So let's run the program. So let's say the amount of purchases is 100, and the country tax is 0.075. and the state tax is 0.065. So it gives us the result. So the amount of purchase is 100, and the total sales tax is 14, to round up is 14, and the total sales is 86.0. Okay, so that's for sales tax coding. And test average coding. So I also use three variables, which is double: test 1, test 2, and test 3. So I ask the users to type in the three scores of your tests by using a system.out.println. And the three test variable will be stored with keyboard.next double. And we use keyboard.next line to end the process. So, and then we print out the result. It shows the score of test 1, and the score of test 2, and the score of test 3, and the average of the three, which is test 1 plus test 2 plus test 3, and divided by 3. So let's also run the code. So we type in the test. Let's assume I got a 97 on the first one, 81 on the second, and 84 on the third. So it gives us the results. Test 1 is 97, test 2 is 81, test 3 is 84, and the average is 87.3 in decimals. And that's for this program. So the next one is, this one is a little bit big. Name, age, and annual income. So for name, I use string since it's just a name. And age is I use the variable integer, and annual pay as double. So I type in the command to ask the users to type in their name, their age, and their annual income. Then for name, I use keyboard.next line to let them enter their name. And age is keyboard.next int, and annual pay is keyboard.next double. Since I finished the getting the number values, so I use keyboard.next line to close out the process. Then I print out the result, which shows my name is a name, and my age is the age that's given above here. And I hope to earn how much dollars per year. So let's run this code. So my name is Gino, and I'm 17 years old, and I hope to 10,000. Let's say 10,000. So it gives the results. My name is Gino. My age is 17, and I put a /n here because I think this format is a little bit easier to read. So I hope to earn $10,000 per year. And the next one, male and female percentage. So for male and female, we want to know the percentage of male and female in the group of people. So the two doubles, male and female. Then we ask the user to type in the number of male and female by using system.out.println. And we use the same method for both male and female. We use keyboard.next double to get a number of it. Then we use keyboard.next line to close up the process of getting the variables. Then system.out.println, which shows the percentage of male, which is male divided by male plus female times 100%. And the percentage of female is female over male plus female and times 100%. So let's run this code. So let's say male, we have 8 males and 4 females. So the percentage of male will be 66.6%, and the percentage of female will be 33.3%. Okay, and then for a restaurant bill, the restaurant bill, we use 3 doubles: meal charge, tax amount, tip amount. Then we ask the users to type in the charge of their meal and the rate of tax and tip. So for both 3 values, we use keyboard.next double. And since we finish it, we use keyboard.next line to close it. Then we get our results, which shows the meal charge, and the amount of tax is the meal charge times tax amount. And the amount of tip is the meal charge times tax amount plus meal charge times tip amount. So the total will be meal charge plus meal charge times the tax amount, and plus meal charge times tax amount plus meal charge times tip amount. That's just basic math. So let's try to run this code. So the meal charge says $10, and the rate of tax is 0.0675, let's say, and the tip is about 20%, or 20%. So we'll get that our meal is $10, and the amount of tax is 0.675, and the amount of tip is 2.13. So we could get a total of $12.81 for this meal. Okay, then the next one, sales predict. So we want to predict the sales, we need 2 doubles, the sales and the rate of generate. So the system, the output println gives asks the users to type in the amount of sales in million, which makes the number smaller, which is easier to type. Then the rate of sales generate. So we use 2, so it's both doubles. So we use keyboard.next double. Then we use keyboard.next line to enter the value of it. Then system.out.println gives the result, which is the sales multiplied by rate, is the East Coast division generates in millions. So let's run it. So let's say the amount of sales is 3 million, and they generate 0.062. So they'll generate 0.186 millions for this generation, yeah, for their business. Okay, the last one, personal info. So this one asks us to give the name, the address, the contact number, and the college major. So both of them are just basic terms. So I'll use string for it. So all of them is, I just ask the user to type their name, address, contact number, and major. So, and we also use the same command, which is keyboard.next line. And we give the outprint, my name is, and we go to the next line, my address is, then the next line, my contact number is, and my major is. So, and these two are CIC's address and number. Since I'll put it here, since it will be easier for me to run the code. So I enter my name. Can I run it? Yeah, I enter my name, Gino. And the address, I just copy it straight from here. Yeah, I copy it. And then the number of it. Sorry, I gotta press enter. And the number. And the major, I'll say computer science, IENCE. So it shows the results. My name is Gino. My address is whatever it says. And my contact number is the CIC's contact number. And my major is computer science. And that's all for my video evaluation. Thank you.